Hello and welcome along to the unboxing of the Nvidia Shield. Now this version is the one that comes with the games controller as well as the remote control, and is obviously the 4K HDR Android TV version. Now what I've noticed is quite a few of the online retailers are out of stock of these at the minute, so I thought I'll just post a video of an unboxing just in case you are thinking of getting yourself one. I got mine through my supplier. What I'll do is I will leave a link in the description of a couple of places where I know they've still got them in stock. Anyhow, let's get into the unboxing. So let's see what we have inside. So first of all, we have the remote control. Now just move that box out of the way a bit. So quite a decent remote control, quite heavy, good weight, and I believe the remote control is actually Bluetooth, so obviously that helps without the remote control having to be in line of sight of the device. And I believe this is actually a volume controller here, like a touchpad, which would be good, but we'll see that when we power it on. Good, okay. Now obviously the actual device itself, let's have a look at that. So we have the green strip along the top of the device, and I believe that's like an LED and it lights up. Underneath some ventilation. I don't know if you can make that out on the lights. The ventilation strip. To the rear we have a few ports. So we've got two USB ports and they are USB 3. We have an HDMI port as well, a network port, and obviously a power connector as well. See if you can see that. It's good. And then to the side we have some more ventilation. Now to the sides there's not a lot to the device, but small and compact. I like it, it's nice. So the games controller, again nice good weight for the games controller. We have the charging socket. There's no separate power battery pack by the looks of things, no. Which, okay, you know, if it breaks and you have to replace the whole thing, fine. And then we've got a headphone socket there as well. Good weight, nice. Power adapter. Now I imagine somewhere in the box there'll be the country specific adapters for that as well. So we're looking here. Yep, there we go. So one for European and then one for the UK, which is where I am based. What else? Quick start guide. Yeah. Charging cable for the games controller, and then right at the bottom is the support guide. Nice. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick video for today. I will be posting another video shortly which will be of the Nvidia Shield in operation, so you get to see what applications are installed and we can go through some of the settings and configuration. If you'd like to see that video, please subscribe and you'll be notified once the video goes live. Thanks very much for watching and hope to see you soon.